Hi guys, welcome to the Oh What Fun YouTube hop for the Traci Reed Design team. And this is day number 23 in my December daily album from last year. I actually used a Canva template to come up with a basic idea of this layout, but then I changed it a fair bit to make it my own. Like for example, I used the flip out and I added the journaling, which you'll see in a little bit. But the Canva template, the idea was to use these kind of like angular photos and cutting the page into these three. So this is in a 10 by 8 album, so it's the size of the page protector. And I had 4 photos to use, and I was able to use all of them in just this one sheet, and I really like how it turned out. So basically this layout is going to go really quickly because I've designed the entire thing already on Canva, and so it's really good use. If you've got Canva, you just plug in the size that you want your layout to be and then just go into templates, and it just comes up with thousands and thousands of ideas that you can then alter and change as you need it. I am using, for example, the papers from the bonus paper kit only because I love those papers, and so I just pulled them all into Canva, and that is what you're seeing me do here. I'm creating a little flip out too because I wanted to use 2 photos just here, and off camera I do add a little magnet that holds my flip out closed, and that is the second part. And then the last part is just this final, and I'm also clustering behind these beautiful poinsettia flowers behind every photo. And so I'm basically going to create these photos, and then on the opposite side I've got that perfect insert, which was it came with like the space for the hole, so it was sized to the outside of the page protector, and it just says the sweetest holiday memories are made in the kitchen, because this is a story of me and Emma doing decorating gingerbread cookies. So of course I had to use that gingerbread man, and I had to use this perfect insert as well. And I am on the back side, I'm actually using another one of those inserts, but I just changed it so that the hole was on the other side. I did that in Canva by literally using the dropper tool to fill the whole page with this slightly coloured, like it was sort of a creamy coloured background. I'm adding my number on the inside of the flap because I didn't really have anything else to add. And then with that, this layout is basically done. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you all have a wonderful festive season, and check out everyone else in the description box below. Bye.